What's going on, guys? Jurassic here. Today we are learning how to set up a music bot in our Discord. So there are several different music bots, but for today we are going to focus on the Rythm Bot. Now, if you guys are wondering why you would want to do Rythm Bot instead of just playing it in the background, you're actually able to skip all the ads. So like in YouTube or Spotify, if you're working out or if you just want music in the background, it can completely bypass like the interruptions the ads cause, and you can just listen to music freely. So just type in Rythm and it'll be this first one on the top of the list. You can notice it by this symbol. Once you come to this page, click invite this bot and select whatever server that you want him to join. For example, today we're doing the test server, and click continue. You don't need to grant him administrative rights since this is just a music bot. It's not like he's going to be kicking people from the channel for misbehaving or anything. So go ahead and click authorize. I am a human. And we are all done with that. Now click on features and commands in order for you to see the commands list, and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and this is the list of commands that we're going to paste in our server so people know how to use it. So come over to Discord, and whatever channel the bot joins in at, he's going to give you this very small list of commands. So this is going to help get you started off. We're going to right click, create a new category, and we're just going to name this category music channel. Click the plus sign and have like a music request chat. And Rythm does require a voice channel as well, so we're just going to have to do that and call it music. Sweet. So if you come over to whatever channel Rythm joined in at, his prefix starting out is an exclamation point, but we do want to change that because other bots like ME6 also use exclamation point, so try to change it to something unique like an X or something. So if you come down to the third line, it teaches you how to do that. So do exclamation point settings. And you do have to type in prefix as well, and then whatever you want. So now every command through Rythm is going to have X before it works. And add in one more chat channel real quick and just call it music commands. And we're going to head over to the website and copy all of the commands and paste it into our server. That way people know how to use it. And paste it in like a so. Sweet. Now, if you want to stop Rythm from being able to access every single channel, so he only listens to like the music channel for requests, for example, click the plus sign, scroll down, and it'll be under this Rythm Bot. You can just click X on view channel, and now he will only be able to see the channels that you allow him to view. For the music channel, you won't have to do anything since he already has permission to view it. So before you give him any commands, make sure you are connected into a voice chat because he only connects if you're in a voice chat already. Now, we are going to type in X play because play is the command and X is our prefix. Come over to YouTube or wherever you're getting your songs from, click on view full playlist on whatever you want. We're going to copy the URL at the top of the page, come back into Discord, paste it in, and it should connect and play automatically for us. And if you right click on the bot, you're able to change the user's volume to be louder or quieter if he is too loud or too quiet. So that we got everything set, we shouldn't have to worry about any of this stuff anymore. And you guys can customize other stuff to your liking, but everything is set up. Now, before we get done with today, I want to show you guys how to change the playlist. If he is stuck on this one playlist, he's going to play it to the end of the song. So you can move songs up and down. But another way to do it a little quicker, in my opinion, is just type in X disconnect or whatever your prefix is. And Rythm is automatically going to disconnect, and now you're able to add in a new playlist. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.